Example 1 is simplify 2x to the power 1 upon 2 into 3x to the power minus 1 if x equal to 4. See, first this 2 and 3 will be multiplied. This will give us 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Now x raised to the power 1 upon 2 will be multiplied by x raised to the power minus 1. So we know that the base is same, x, and the powers will be added in multiplication. So it will be 1 upon 2 minus 1. 1 upon 2 minus 1 powers we have added. 1 upon 2 minus 1 is minus 1 upon 2. So this gives us 6 into x to the power minus 1 upon 2. Simplify. 1 upon 2 minus 1 is minus 1 upon 2. Now we know that a raised to the power minus m is 1 upon a raised to the power m. So this can be written as 6 into 1 upon x to the power 1 upon 2. This x to the power minus 1 upon 2, when will go in denominator, the power will become positive. Now x value is given as 4, so this can be written as 6 into 1 upon 4 raised to the power 1 upon 2. Now 4 raised to the power 1 upon 2 means under root of 4, and under root of 4 we know is 2. So this is 6 into 1 upon 2, which is 2 cancels this 6 3 times. So the answer we get is 3. The simplified value of this expression at x equal to 4 is 3. Now we will see the next problem. Example 2 is simplify 6ab square c cube into 4 b ki power minus 2 c to the power minus 3 and into d. Now 6 and 4 when multiplied, this gives us 24. A is there in the first expression, it is not in the second, so A will be written like this. Now power of B will be added, so power of B will become 2 minus 2. This 2 we have considered minus 2, both powers are added, base is B. Power of C power here is 3 and here it is minus 3, powers will be added, base is C, so it will be C raised to the power 3 minus 3, and D has come as it is. Now B raised to the power 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, and any number raised to the power 0 is 1, so it will be B raised to the power 0, which is 1. So 24 has come as it is, A will come as it is, B raised to the power 0 is 1, again C raised to the power 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, so C raised to the power 0 is 1 and D will come. So the answer will be 2480. Simplified value of this expression is 2480. Example 3 is find the value of 4x to the power minus 1 upon x raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. Now this can be written as 4x to the power minus 1, and here in denominator we find x to the power minus 1 upon 3. When it will go, when the power will become positive, when it will go in numerator, so it will be plus 1 upon 3, because we know that 1 upon a raised to the power m can be written a raised to the power m. So x to the power minus 1 upon 3, when it goes in the top, it becomes it goes in the numerator, it becomes positive, so it will be plus 1 upon 3. Now minus 1 plus 1 upon 3 can be simplified. It is minus 2 upon 3. So this can be written 4x to the power minus 2 upon 3, which can also be written as 4 into 1 upon x to the power 2 upon 3. So simplified value of the expression is 4 into 1 upon x to the power 2 upon 3. Now we will see the problem number 4. Example 4 is simplify 2 a to the power 1 upon 2 into a to the power 2 upon 3 into 6 a to the power minus 7 upon 3 upon 9 a to the power minus 5 upon 3 into a to the power 3 upon 2. Now when we see the numbers, we see that we can simplify the numbers by cancelling 6 by 3 2 times here and 3 times here. So 2 into 2 will give us 4 and in denominator we obtain 3. So numbers we have simplified. Now we see the indices part, the powers of A. Now we know that a to the power m is 1 upon a to the power minus m. That is, that when we take a to the power minus 5 upon 3 in numerator, its power will become positive, and a to the power 3 upon 2 in numerator, its power will become negative. The powers will be changed with this rule. So now we simplify the indices part. So a to the power 1 upon 2 will be as it is into a to the power 2 upon 3 will be as it is into a to the power minus 7 upon 3 will be as it is into a to the power minus 5 upon 3. It goes in the top, it goes in the numerator, its power will be positive, it will be now 5 upon 3 into a to the power 3 upon 2. When it goes in the numerator, its power will be negative. This is what we obtain. Now here the base is same, base is a in all, so powers will be added in multiplication. So we obtain 4 upon 3 is as it is, a to the power, powers we are adding, so 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 minus 3 upon 2. We have added the powers of A. Now simplify the powers. Now we are simplifying the powers separately. LCM will be 6. We obtain 3 plus 4 minus 14 plus 10 minus 9. We have taken the LCM as 6. 2 divides 6 3 times. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 divides 6 2 times. 2 into 2 is 4. Then minus 3 divides 6 2 times. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Plus 3 divides 6 2 times. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Again 2 divides 6 3 times. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Simplify it. 7 and 10. 17 will be positive. 14 and 9, which is 23, it is negative. So it will be minus 6. So we obtain minus 6 upon 6, which is minus 1. We obtain minus 1 as power of E. So it will be 4 upon 3 a raised to the power minus 1. Now we are to find its value when a equal to 4. So we can write in place of a as 4. This becomes 4 upon 3 into 4 raised to the power minus 1. Now 4 raised to the power minus 1 is 1 upon 4 with this rule. So 4 upon 3, we write 4 raised to the power minus 1 as 1 upon 4. 4 and 4 are cancelled. We get 1 upon 3. So value of this expression is 1 upon 3. Now we will see the next problem.